in a Nidi Home Academy we principal ne iwa ming them sang sasa shaiza hoye ihli rada jingkum trada khani lang hai re 2013 we na in a hili principal sa phok ne ate ran so mi da Nidi Home Academy hi mathang haksang tele school hiwi angyung leye angyung jiwa hiwi institution we patriarch yaurale awo reverend awo yui ali reverana hawk phok we na ali vision mi laga kala mission mi laga hawk phoka institution akane awi mangli library ga hak chi thai ji laga hinoi nei da hangi ji ta chida da sada achu in fulfillment of the vision reverana vision kami ji ra ung shok ne da khuye achu kum isi hi class metric la result sampang hai re class 12 result sampang hai re reverana so mi da metric result thala khai sampang ai out of 49 isi Nidi Home Academy li 43 na first division sampang ai kala class 12 arts li Kangpokpi district li aji Nidi Home Academy hina top 1 sampang ai ya da sada mathang sok mi ji ra hai re kala hili school Nidi Home Academy hiwi aphang sada Sorshia Christian College the college la hawpok hai re hila ran room shan mi da ajakum 2023 li Manipur University li affiliation na sampang hai re hiwi wang achu itumna ring phang sung phongshok tale kala imara mui mi bing tong lila ko tom milo da hang khangai ne itumna hi hawk pokhiwa hi katha imaram hilila quality education hi mi pai hili naus nau ko chung kha hiri ra la ka rali sambang ko khuya tam la sampang ai ma education is important education hitar kar sala ke learn hitar kar sala ke khari mai thui da rali ka thai rawi hui khami sam ka phang kala rali khang chi hi tarkar sai ka chi thum san khui thai khui itum na lari kya ka them la rali khang chi ma la kha chi li ma kun ma lai ma ne jana itum na re mai thui da education mi la ka rawi thui la mi la ka miya khali ma kun khalai miya khang sak jana hiwi college li kala high school higher secondary li ra ka tamping he church we wang kanare ram we wang kanare kala society we wang la kana lakre ka ji ithumi ka jihan ne kala naus now bing athumi mirin ka chung khala khang chei samphang la ka apam hi na cha thu hera jana achu ithumna firstly high school mang recognition sam ka pang hi nyang la kai sai kha naura pingwi athume manglarin we spiritual state ji mature masana thu ga da mature saming saksa the higher secondary hi recognition we bang sampang ne recognition we bang itum de yong kala ji recognition sampang hai re kala now bingli mature sami da itum na train sa khwai ka san ne kala why not here itself quality education ji hili sa da mi pai ki da apam ka ta khi wa ki da hili affordable rately itum na hilila college khamatha hi sapai da hawk pok ne real education hi ba itum li shem khamia juli ka thai rally khang chi hina real education ne hi le hai khawa whatever what comes khara what ka sing sai ko ji sok ming sare individual we bang family we bang society we bang church we bang sok ming sare ta hi shisang kala chui bang itum ka tona endeavor hi hotna dele aju Kangpokpi district li private school li ba ima yu we bang ai isimang himang hi Nidi Home Academy and Sorshia Christian College manga jan yaru ko tona support sa sei ka tom sei kala reisang sak sei ima yu we bang kala thumi naw ra bi bang da hyang khangai ne ni sinai re
iwi aming na jing rizimic charana mai hoye ari Sorshia Christian College li college we coordinator sa laga pamle kala sociology we subject we HOD salaga pamdale aru jang sir them changna school we maramli kala Sorshia Christian College ka tha da hopo khair kleta hangmi hairana chiwi ina kadek salaga apam location ni la hang miau ge college aru ma pausing tun khuli leda khlaine hi kangpopi district we alungli kazang ne apam he sekmai we na kilometer ka thum ngana ye kala imphal la kilometer thada bhanga thada thrukshu gamangi khun e salala imphal ai nang nai la ke ithum na imphal tangai salala half an hour it takes just half an hour imphal tangai la Jaina Christian Sorshia Christian College hi kyuwang nana ina kyuwang ka pangra khle jiga aju arihonwi thoughtly college ra khale imphal li la district la college ra khale thalala first motto verena motto sada khale first God second others kala third me da higitha we mission higitha motto we school college sam phangya arhon atam ya saklage jaina college we motto hi otsak them miza otsak jika itumwi otsak action itumwi them jika itumwi knowledge kala miza jika itumwi service itumwi katam itumwi kashu aina society li mi ka shok kala society li contribute kasa hi motto aina hobok da klein college mai college ka te tra lekha itum na khangte akha khisa lekhle jiga wa college itum na thangji da mo poranga college assembly le yang chili saya kasa kala very way to ka pai na college thangji da hopok ka pai sai itum na mai education go ya ka jangkhat education we aim go ya mi student li lifelong learner sa khawai athum to think to question to grow kala athum character hi sa khawai ithum mission hi sa dak laini khiwang klai ji kha college na kala school institution na mikumo ya ka shem nim ne kha ji jaw we character athum ni khi character lekle athum foundation khi khle lekle jiwi ji jin na mikumo akha khon now the college pasa khai na kala we career our job ka satam hi mi ko mo akai define sai chain itum na ari college hili college ka thar sa sala ari thada mi na ja kam sarang college le itum na ngai da sa khanga hi ne mi ko mo da all well rounded individual ka sa khavai atum na pass out sai sala very we alungli foundation le la ka mi ko mo dala kai na thum mirin ka khop aina tang da well grounded individual aka sa khavai itum motto ne hi Nishnare.
Hello, my name is Mercy Rana. I am one of the member of the teaching faculty in the Department of English. I'd like to share a few thoughts about this place, Sorshia Christian College, and my few experiences. I've been here for the last 1 year and I feel most at home because we live like a family around here, be it student, teacher, workers. And as a teacher, when I observe the students, I see progress in all of their lives, be it in their academic progress, be it in their social skills or communicative skills, be it in their leadership quality or be it in spiritual maturity. I see progress in each of their lives, and seeing them progress like that, I feel the students will thrive in the future as well. And the belief that the students are doing well, progressing one step at a time, I feel greatest joy teaching here in Sorshia Christian College. And that small progress, one step at a time, I feel is the essence of education as well. Here in Sorshia Christian College, we don't just teach, but we mentor, we guide, and we grow together.
Hello, you are Ming Wonchu Hoye, Yaruri Sorshia Christian College, the English department, the faculty member. One of the things that I treasure the most about this place is its environment. Surrounded by nature and greenery, the campus offers the perfect place for studies, away from the noises of the city. But what makes this place truly special is the spiritual atmosphere. At night, the soft prayer of the prayer team echoes through the campus like a blanket protecting us. It reminds us that we're not just part of this college, but also a part of a big family that watches and looked after one another. Thank you.
Good afternoon, dear viewers. My name is Samson Sithu, and I'm here at Sorshia Christian College as a professor of Political Science Department. I wanted to highlight a few points on why this Sorshia Christian College. Why Sorshia Christian College? Let me start by using a mnemonic I, which stands for inclusive and inspiration. This college, we have got students, faculties, and workers from all major communities of Manipur, be it the Nagas, the Kukis, and the Meiteis. And soon our college is going to be an international college. We are expecting a few Thai students from there in the next semester. And then education is all about how to build a bridge and not to create a great divide. And then the second point that we want to focus on why this Sorshia Christian College is here, you will realize your ideas comes into reality. Here we try to encourage the student to come up with their own ideas, with their own innovative, and we try to encourage them and visualize them and put it into practice and make that one into an everyday living life routine. And the third point is the environment that where we focus here 100%. See, if we look at the academic years of Manipur 2021-2022, it has been filled with burns, blockade, and hurdles. So how can we expect progress in development when there is no peace, when there is stoppage, when there are hurdles, when there are blockade, and when there is burn? We cannot learn in that kind of environment. So here we have experienced that different kind of environment. Here your safety is paramount. Here you'll find peace, and here you are not exposed to the outside world or outside disturbances or noises. You can find peace here and quietness where you can focus 100% on your studies and build up your career. Thank you.
Hello, Lesia. Thank you for the invitation. You are in the Danish Semik, Sorshia Christian College, assistant professor Sada. Later, in Ariri Manipur University Research Scholar, the Sad Lay, in a Sorshia Christian College, Lirate Lega, Yuli Ning Rimpana, Kiwangla Lega, modern technology, well structure, Salagana Itumui, a Bumila, Leikai, Rimpalake, College Chile Itumna Ralaga. Smart classroom, kala library shanglak aina leidleye, lang mida playground lam thalagan leidleye, kala jili lang mida itumui, oja bingui accommodations, kala students bing accommodation lam thalagaina semyai delay jaina, kachigita gatam now ajigum class 12 kupai laga admission yingdak len tum psycho hili Sorshia Christian College li tum gvain tum psycho li invite sa de ning slagera.
Lesia tang kun naupeng itum psycho na Sorshia Christian College maramli oja pingwen kujung kha theising ko kuisang pangai mtala kha akhanawa Kampokpi district li jangda klaya ishi tangkhu khu hili itum wortam rin mathak vai da hotna da klai hili itum tangkhu na psycho na community participation community effort kala community with support hi darkar sa na dalaye apom hili lively sala khai kala katam nauping na tam pong ala khai apoma khang sare ila charal kara thai da klai nei ojala qualified sala khai lei dalaye infrastructure matai samman le mathui samman dalaye kala hili khamtha khanawa Manipurli issues kuchung kha leisala example sa da infal ban ga tha leisala hili malai mane hili mathala kai na chatwa pa ye hili thang ga jida wi classes khui pa ye chi le pau sha da le ye hili affordable salak da le ye kala ithumui ng leili lairik mathala kai tam pai da khle apama khane ithumna ayang leili umba tamai la hili la ringphala kai na ra tam pai da khle akhane kala matala kai na residential college ng sau gi da hili ithum kapi kapam kashagza affordable salagan ngaran milaga itum ki khanala disturbance mle lagla thalagan tampai de leye itum wiwang machuk shok milaga Sorshia Christian College leida klei hi itum awa ping naungra ping ning sang de lekawa rata milak se kala khamata khanawa morally spiritually educationally focus salaga wortam hi mida klei ne itum interest leida lekawa principally kala college hi staff pingli connect samilaga ratam khawai ji hi request adalaye kala arari college sem ka thar saugida art stream mang na leidalay arari wa and arts we katam nauping na ning sang dalay kawa college li ratam milu ji hi chan sang khangai ni psychology ning share